Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Talks and Tricks. Today I am gonna show you how to fix the problem real-time protection is managed by your organization, or virus and threat protection is managed by your organization. It's a 100% solution. So let's get started. Press Windows plus R key, open run command and type here regedit, registry editor, regedit, and press enter. Here you can see a tab is open. You just click on the HK local machine and here is the software folder. Just click on it and as you can see too many folders here. You just want to go on the policies folder. Click on policy folders and here is Microsoft folder will be show. Click on it and you can see here is too many folders. Just you want to delete Windows Defender folder. Just delete it. I have already deleted it, that's why I am not delete it. You just want to delete it and restart your PC. Then you can show your problem has been fixed like this. I have fixed my problem. As you can see, this is running. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.